True Forex Funds, one of the most popular prop trading firms, is gone. They permanently shut down, ceased operations on Monday, May 13th, leaving all of their prop traders stranded and wondering if they'll get their prop trading challenge or evaluation fees back. Will True Forex Funds funded traders be able to take out their profits? Hello everyone, I'm Kathy Lean, and while I love to talk about trading itself, today I'm back with more prop firm news, and it's not good news. Unfortunately, I can bet you that the answer to the question of whether you will get your money back is a big, fat no. Now, no specific announcement has been provided by True Forex Funds, so maybe they'll be gracious enough to give you your money back, but they're out of business. And if you are a True Forex Funds trader, your best bet, in my opinion, is to call your credit card company and ask for a chargeback. For the prop trading industry, this is very bad news. Now, I'll explain more about that in just a bit. But first, let's take a look at why True Forex Funds was shut down and why they decided to go out of business. According to this post on True Forex Funds' social handle, they said they announced the official closure of True Forex Funds. We regret to inform you that True Forex Funds has ceased all operations and will be closing permanently due to financial insolvency. Despite extensive efforts to stabilize and improve our financial health, we have been unable to continue our operations. We sincerely appreciate the dedication and hard work of our employees, the trust of our clients have placed in us, and the consistent support from our partners. Your commitment has been the foundation of our endeavors, and for that we are deeply grateful. Thank you for your invaluable support and for being an essential part of True Forex Funds. So there you have it. They are shutting down because of financial troubles. In layman terms, this means they have no more money left to pay out their traders. We actually got a hint of this of their troubles a week before when the CEO posted this on his Twitter feed. The realities of proprietary trading firms. As you've likely observed, proprietary trading firms are undergoing significant shifts, grappling with the changing rules, payout delays, including our own, or in some cases, closures. You may be wondering, what has precipitated this erosion of stability? Unfortunately, prop firms are benefiting precisely the opposite of what traders desire, payouts. Despite our concerted efforts to innovate, significant investments have failed to yield consistency in trader performance within the industry. Rest assured, any claims to the contrary are unsubstantiated. From a prop trader standpoint, profitability hinges on surpassing payout volumes relative to registration fee losses. Yet when factoring in the losses of the market, scarcely a couple of funded traders prove profitable. Presently, the prop trading industry abounds with enticing offers, each more alluring as the last. However, for the sake of transparency, we position ourselves as a competitively priced entity, eschewing flashy incentives. Yet our rigorous rules do not guarantee sustained profitability. Sustainable operations for prop firm rely on a continuous user base growth, and that's where their problems are. However, challenges arise when growth stagnates, a scenario that exceptions, such as firms with stricter rules and higher pricing like ours, may circumvent. So upon becoming the first company to have its MT license revoked, leading to forced closure, I anticipate a daunting task of re-establishing our presence. So yada, yada, yada. Basically, they have not been able to pay out the customers. The past 3 months have been depleted. Our accumulated liquidity amassed over the preceding 2.5 years, leaving us with a backlog of 300 pending payouts. Prop firms make money from the evaluation or challenge fees. Most traders lose, or it takes at least a few times for them to actually pass the challenge. They collect the fees and pay out from the winning traders from this specific bucket. So considering that 90% of traders fail their challenges, generally speaking, the fees certainly outweigh the payouts, and hence the money for the Ferraris and the Lamborghinis. But more profitable prop traders is not the real reason why True Forex Funds failed. You may remember that 3 months ago, which feels like an eternity in the prop industry, True Forex Funds was shut down by MetaQuotes, who went on a rampage to cut access to all firms that may have been offering U.S. clients the ability to trade contracts for differences or CFDs, which is a big no-no for U.S. regulators. Meta Quotes may have been afraid that they would be forced to cease operations by the CFTC, like what happened with my Forex Funds, because True Forex Funds was on the CFTC's registration deficiency or red list. This means they were cited by the CFTC for operating outside of the United States with no or limited U.S. presence, but also at the same time, they were accepting funds from U.S. customers and offering a product that should have been within the CFTC's jurisdiction. They also suggested that True Forex Funds acted as their own broker. So, their troubles were some time coming. True Forex Funds did come back from all of this, but never in the same way. They could not attract enough new customers to offset the payouts from the ones that stuck with them. So the main takeaway really for prop firms is that if your reputation is tarnished and you've done steps that could result in that, it'll be very, very difficult to restore it. And if a firm's reputation is tarnished, maybe you want to stay away from it. True Forex Funds was unable to stabilize their cash flow, and they had to shut down as a result. Now, there's firms like the Funded Engineer who's facing the same similar troubles. So I would watch that firm very carefully. They've already delayed payouts, they're trying to make some changes, but the odds are not in their favor, because if they face the risk of financial trouble, and will prop firm traders really trade with them? Prop traders are probably going to be reluctant to purchase challenges with the fear that they could fall into the same problem or troubles like True Forex Funds and go out of business. So there's a possibility that they won't be able to attract enough new challenge buyers in order to stay in business. If you are a prop trader, what can you do? First, don't be too discouraged by this, because the skills that you're learning will last you for a lifetime, and you can become still a profitable, consistent trader if you utilize these skills in your regular trading accounts. Also, I would say, stay on top of the news. What you want to do is you want to follow the news of prop firms and stay on top of any potential problems and get out or grab your payouts before those problems really kind of manifest themselves. I recommend checking out proptraderedge.com newsletter. The link is in the description below for news and tips on prop trading and the prop trading industry. Your two best options, in my opinion, is to trade with a futures prop firm, because the futures market is centralized and they operate it in a regulated trading environment, offering a different layer of transparency and hopefully protection. Apex Trader Funding is offering our viewers an 80% discount on all futures challenges to the end of May. If you want to check them out, look for the link in the description below. Or if you're outside of the US, consider trading with some of the established brokers who've actually gotten into the prop trading space, like Axie Select, Oanda Labs, IC Markets, and Handtech, because they are basically going to be much more careful about doing anything that could put their reputations at risk. Lastly, if you're a Forex and CFD prop trader and this is still the market you really want to trade in, do your due diligence. Trade with established firms. The longer they've been around, the better. I personally like FTMO and the Fivers. And also stay on top of the news for any of these firms by following newsletters like Prop Trader Edge. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for any future videos about the prop trading industry and prop firms. Good luck. This is Kathy Lean. See you next time, hopefully with better news.